Ho, ho, ho! Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to Cybrosys. I'm thrilled to guide you through turning a to-do into a task. Let's jingle all the way in. We'll start our merry journey with the to-do module. Here's how you can craft a to-do and magically transform it into a task. Once you slay into the to-do module, you'll see some pre-made goodies. Let me show you how to create a fresh one. Click the New button and gift your to-do a name. For instance, I'm naming mine Send Invitations. After filling in the jolly details, just click Add. And that's all there is to it, easy as pie. See those 3 dots? This feature lets you add some festive flair with a cover image and colors. I'm going with blue to spread some cheer. You can also mark it as a top priority to-do. I've decided it's important enough to mark. This little icon helps you view all the festivities related to the to-do you've made. I'm going to pop open the to-do now, and here you'll see its name shining bright. Want to add tags to your to-do? You can sprinkle them here. I've added home and bug as tags. All right, let's keep moving. As you know, tags make it a cinch to spot. They keep your to-dos neatly organized. You can even add some content here. It's just a name. Go ahead and jot down whatever tasks you have on your list. For example, I'm typing Invite Employees. You can also use the / command for extra features like structures, banners, formatting, media, navigators, widgets, AI tools, and basic blocks. Don't forget to use the / command, friends. That's the spirit. To-dos can be placed under different stages like today, this week, or this month, depending on your plans. You can easily switch the stage of your to-do. Once done, mark it as completed by clicking the tick. If you click on the gear icon atop the screen labeled Actions, you'll discover the magic option to convert this to-do into a task. Give it a click, and a wizard will appear asking you to choose a project. Select the project you'd like to add the task to. I'm choosing Home Construction, and look, the tags have already made the trip. If you'd like to add more tags, now's the time. Once you're ready, just click Convert to Task. And presto, your task is now created. It keeps the to-do name with lots of pre-filled details. You'll also see the project we've picked. If there are milestones, you can pick them here. Specify the tags, assignees, customer, sales order item, and deadline, along with the time you need for task completion. Here you'll find the description you wrote for the to-do. You can elaborate on the description in the timesheet section. Feel free to add timesheets for any busy elves working on this task. This is the subtask section where you can create extra tasks within the main task. You'll notice the task is currently in the new stage. You can kickstart it here, and the time tracking will begin. You also have the jolly options to stop or pause the task. All right, we're almost there. You can log the time and change the stages of the task as needed. This is how you manage tasks, and it's straightforward to create a task from a to-do. And that's how the cookie crumbles. I hope all was as clear as a winter's day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.